Okay, had to get out in the light. These are the questions I have. There's this screw hole right here. One fellow said he put grease in there and he packed it in there, pumped it in there until it came out this little gold screw. You can't really see it. It's right here at the end of my finger, just a tiny little gold screw. The other fellow said you lay it on your side and you put gear oil, 90 weight gear oil in that hole until it's full, and that this screw simply held part of the water pump on the interior. The other question, there's no oil dipstick. So I'm guessing you just fill it to the bottom of the cap, and neither one of them could really say one way or the other. Pretty non-committal on their part. The other question is this screw right here. Looks like it could just be a drain for the float or the bowl, but they said it's a high throttle adjustment, high speed adjustment, and a low speed adjustment's right up here. Just can't really see, which that makes sense to me. So I guess the bigger question then is this knob right here on the front. This knob. This pulls. I think it's an on-off switch. The wording is all wore out, so I can't tell. You can't even see it on the camera. It has some wording up here where my finger is, but I'm thinking maybe it's pull it is on and push it is off. It works this mechanism right here. One fellow said he thought it engaged or disengaged the propeller. And then I know this appears the choke and the throttle. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Mainly what I need to know is what this little knob is for. Is it on and off? And then does it take grease or gear oil? I opened it up hoping to find out, and I don't see any grease in there, so I'm assuming it probably is 90 weight gear oil. But that's the big questions at this point. Does this knob have to do with the ignition? Start and stop? Is that start? Stop? And does this have gear oil? Anyway, if you can answer those questions, great. If not, we're going to wing it and make it happen. Okay. Thanks. Bye.